What's up everybody, it's Ritesh Kumar here. Imagine having your own cash to spend, save, or invest. No more relying on your parents. That's the dream, right? Well, guess what? It's totally achievable. Today I'm dropping some serious knowledge bombs on you with 5 incredible ways to start making money and unlock financial freedom at 18. We're talking real strategies that can put you on the path to financial success. Whether you're saving up for a car, college tuition, or just some epic experiences, get ready to take some notes because things are about to get interesting. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic, the part-time job. It might not sound as glamorous as becoming a YouTube sensation overnight, but trust me, there's a lot to gain from rolling up your sleeves and putting in the work. A part-time gig gives you real-world work experience and valuable skills like time management and communication. Plus, you'll start building your network and maybe even making some lifelong friends. Even a few hours a week can add up to some serious cash. We're talking about money you can save for your future goals, invest in your passions, or even just treat yourself to something nice. And hey, the best part is there are tons of part-time jobs out there, no matter what your interests are. Love video games? Apply at a game store. Got a passion for fashion? Hit up your local mall. So, don't underestimate the power of a good old-fashioned part-time job. It's a fantastic stepping stone to financial freedom. If the traditional job scene feels too restrictive, freelancing might be your ticket to financial freedom. Imagine setting your own hours and working on projects you're passionate about. The beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to leverage your existing skills and turn them into a source of income. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. You set your rates, choose your projects, and manage your own time. Financial freedom, creative control, and the satisfaction of building your own business. What's not to love? You've spent years rocking the classroom, acing those tests, and becoming a master of your favorite subjects. Why not share that knowledge and earn some serious cash while you're at it? That's right, I'm talking about online tutoring. There are tons of students out there, from elementary school to college, who are struggling with their studies and looking for a little extra help. The internet has made it easier than ever to connect with students worldwide. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, TutorMe, and Schooly offer virtual classrooms, scheduling tools, and secure payment gateways. You get to choose the subjects you're most passionate about. Whether it's math, science, history, or even music, there's a student out there who needs your expertise. You'll be making a real difference in the lives of your students, helping them achieve their academic goals and unlock their full potential. Now that's something to be proud of. For all you creative entrepreneurs out there, this one's for you. Have you ever dreamed of turning your passion into a thriving business? Well, guess what? You totally can. The internet has revolutionized the way we buy and sell, opening up a world of opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon Handmade make it incredibly simple to set up your own online store and start selling to a global audience. The possibilities are endless. Are you a whiz with a sewing machine? Design and sell your own clothing line. Got a knack for crafting? Create unique jewelry, candles, or home decor. The key is to find something you're passionate about and that fills a gap in the market. Do your research, identify your target audience, and create high-quality products that people will love. Create a strong online presence, engage with your customers, and tell your story. Unleash your inner entrepreneur, create something amazing, and turn your passion into profit. Let's be real, you're already glued to your phone, scrolling through endless feeds of videos, memes, and inspiring content. But what if I told you that you could be on the other side of the screen, creating content that people actually want to watch, and even earning money from it? Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, launching a podcast, writing a blog, or building a following on TikTok or Instagram, there are countless ways to share your passions with the world and potentially turn them into a source of income. The key is to find your niche, something you're genuinely passionate about, and that sets you apart from the crowd. Are you a gaming guru, a beauty enthusiast, a fitness fanatic? Whatever your interests, there's an audience out there waiting to connect with you. Post regularly, interact with your followers, and be authentically you. As your audience grows, so too do your opportunities for monetization. From brand deals and sponsorships to affiliate marketing and even selling your own merchandise, there are multiple avenues for turning your passion project into a profitable venture. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible ways to unlock financial freedom at 18. Remember, starting early is key. The sooner you start exploring these options, the sooner you can start building a brighter financial future for yourself. Whether you're passionate about sharing your knowledge, creating awesome content, or building your own business empire, there's a path out there for you. So, what are you waiting for? Choose what suits you best and take the first step towards financial independence today. Ready to start your journey? Subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money and achieving your financial goals. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below telling me which method you're most excited to try. Until next time, peace out.